Number 3. Listen, point, and repeat.
You looked really excited in these pictures, Eddie.
You too, Toto. Look at this photo. You were holding a robot toy.
Yeah, it was my favorite one. There were lots of toys in the basket.
Yes, I had many toys then. I really enjoyed playing them with you, Toto. We were at the amusement park.
It was so much fun. Look, there was a helicopter in your hand.
Yes, but now it's gone. I threw it away because I was so scared when I was on the roller coaster.
Lesson 2. Grammar. Number 1. Listen and repeat.
There were lots of toys.
There was a helicopter.
Was not. Wasn't. Were not. Weren't.